Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from crypto.com to another wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of the screen. Then from the screen, you have to click on this crypto wallet option. And then on the screen, you will be able to see the price or the value of your cryptos. Now from here, you have to select the Bitcoin from this list of cryptocurrencies. Then on the screen you have to click on this transfer button, and from this pop-up window you have to click on withdraw. After that, from this another pop-up window you have to click on this external wallet. After that, this will show you the similar screen. From here you have to tap on this add wallet address link. Then you just have to paste the wallet address in this area from your another wallet. So I'm going to use the Binance. You can use any other wallet. The process is similar to all of these wallets. Now just open up your wallet and then go to the portfolio or my assets page. And from here you have to select the asset that you want to receive in your wallet. For example, we are going to transfer Bitcoin from the crypto.com to our wallet. So I will just search for the Bitcoin in this search bar and select the Bitcoin from here. Then from the screen you have to select deposit button, and then you just have to select the network. So you have to select the same network that you have selected in your crypto.com. So just select the same network from here, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy button and then go back to their crypto.com app and paste the wallet address in this area. After that, enter the wallet name and then click on continue. And once you do that, your wallet address will be added in your crypto.com, and then you have to click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address. Then this might show you this screen, so just click on confirm and withdraw button, and then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then simply click on withdraw. And lastly, you have to confirm this withdrawal, so make sure the wallet address and the amount is correct and then click on confirm. And then you may need to enter passcode, and once you follow this step, your Bitcoin will be transferred from crypto.com to your selected or another wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.